Hey,
What's up?
is the 5.7 ready? It's 5.7.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Oh yeah. Guess what day it is?
5.7?
That's right. Hey, it's 5.7. Hey, it's 5.7.
Shut up!
It's 5.7. Hey guys, what's going on? Long time waiting. Hey, what day is it? 5.7! That's right. Y'all been waiting a long time. Y'all saw us out there at SHOT Show shooting the 5.7. Been waiting patiently, but hey, just so you know that your time wasn't wasted. In that time y'all were waiting, we added a bolt catch. We also added a 4-position adjustable piston. So things are crazy, man. We're gonna release them out to y'all. Y'all gonna have fun. Get your hands on it. Go shoot it. Let's check it out. Alright, it's 5.7. Let's get this gun cleaned up and shipped out to y'all. There we go. Did y'all check out those gun shops? Y'all gonna see them 5.7 start popping up everywhere. Enjoy it.